Hi students, hope you are all fine. Today we can learn about word problems on the basic operations. The sum of two rational numbers is 4 by 5. If one number is 2 by 15, then find the other. See here, sum of two rational number, one is 2 by 15, another one you don't know, that only you must find. Find the other. Okay. Listen, what is the meaning for sum? You must add. Okay. Therefore, one number is 2 by 15. First number is 2 by 15. Sum means add. Next number you don't know. Therefore, take that number as x. Sum of these two. Add one number 2 by 15 and the next number that you must find, that is equal to 4 by 15. From the question you have the expression. Once again, the sum of two rational numbers is 4 by 5. If one number is 2 by 15, then find the other. For this, first take the unknown number. Okay. Let the other number be x, because you have to find the other number. Therefore, take the other number be x. From the first sentence, sum of two rational number. Therefore, you must add the first number is 2 by 15 and the other number is x. Sum of that two number is 4 by 5. This is the given expression. Okay, given from the question. Given 2 by 15 plus x is equal to 4 by 5. Now find the value of x. For that, x is equal to 4 by 5. Take this term to the right side. Therefore, minus 2 by 15. See the denominator. Both are different. Therefore, find the LCM 5 and 15. 1 5 is 5. 3 5s are 15. Therefore, LCM is 5 into 3, 15. Therefore, don't change this term because LCM is 15. Here the denominator is also 15. Change the 5 into 15. Therefore, 5 into 3, 15. Therefore, multiply in the numerator also. That is 4 3s are 12. 12 by 15 minus 2 by 15. 12 minus 2, 10. 10 by 15. Here you have a common factor. 2 5s are 10. 3 5s are 15. Therefore, x is equal to 2 by 3 from the question. Therefore, the other number is 2 by 3. The product of two rational numbers is minus 2 by 3. If one number is 3 by 7, then find the other. What is the meaning for product? Multiplication. Okay. Multiplication of two rational numbers. One is given here. Therefore, 3 by 7 into another only you must find. Take that another number as small x is equal to minus 2 by 3. This is the given expression. Once again, product of two rational numbers. One is 3 by 7. Product means multiplication. Another one you must find. Therefore, take it as x. Product of two rational number is. That is means equal to minus 2 by 3. Solution. Let the other number be x. Given from the word problem, 3 by 7 into other number is means equal to minus 2 by 3. From this expression you must find x. How you can calculate? X is equal to minus 2 by 3 into See here, In the left side you have 3 by 7 into, therefore if you change it into right side, write in the reciprocal form, 7 by 3. Now check here, no common factor in the numerator and the denominator. Therefore just multiply and write. 2 7s are 14, 3 3s are 9. Therefore minus 14 by 9. Therefore x is equal to minus 14 by 9. From the word problem, find the other. Therefore the other number is rational number is minus 14 by 9. One roll of ribbon is 18 3 by 4 meter long. Sangari has 4 full rolls and 1/3 of another roll. How many meters of ribbon does Sangari have in total? See here, one roll. Okay, for one roll you have a length, that is in meter 18 3 by 4 for one. Okay, now you have to find Sangari has 4 full rolls and 1/3. 1/3 means you can write as 1 by 3. 4 and 1 by 3 means 4 1 by 3. Sangari has 4 1 by 3 rolls. How many meter of ribbon does Sangari have in total? Take one example. If 5 rupees for a pen, then if you buy 4 pen, what you have to do? 4 into 5. 4 5s are 20. Like that, for one roll, 18 3 by 4 meter. For 4 1 by 3 rolls, you must find the meter of the ribbon. Okay. Therefore, solution: one roll of ribbon is equal to 18 3 by 4 meter. Sangari has 4 1 by 3 rolls. Number of meters of ribbon is equal to 18 3 by 4 into 4 1 by 3. This is in mixed fraction. This is also in mixed fraction. First changed into fraction. 18 into 4 plus 3 by 4. 18 into 4. 8 4s are 32. 1 4 is 4, 72 plus 3, 75. 18 into 4 plus 3 divided by 4. 75 divided by 4 into 4 into 3. 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 1, 13 by 3. Now check here. In the numerator you have 75 and 13. In the denominator you have 4 and 3. Any common factor in the numerator and the denominator? Yes. Here 1 3 is 3. Here 2 3s are 6. 1, that is 15. 5 3s are 15. No more common factor. Therefore 25 into 13 divided by 4. Multiply 25 into 13. 5 3s are 15. 3 2s are 6. 1 7. 325 divided by 4. See, in the question, the numbers are given in the mixed fraction. Therefore, here also you try to change it into mixed fraction. That is 325 divided by 4. Take 32. 8 fours are 32. Remainder 0. Take the next digit. 1 4 is 4. Remainder is 1. Therefore, 81 1 by 4 meter. That is the answer. Therefore, total meters of ribbon is equal to 81 1 by 4 meter. Find the rational numbers that should be added and subtracted so that they will make the sum 3 1 by 2 plus 1 3 by 4 plus 2 3 by 8 to the nearest whole numbers. First find the sum of this. The three terms are given in mixed fraction. Change it into fraction. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1 7. 7 by 2. Plus 1 4 is 4. 4 plus 3 7. 7 by 4. 2 8s are 16. 16 plus 3 19. 19 by 8. Now find the LCM of 2 4 8. LCM is 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Last term, denominator is 8, therefore don't change the last term. See here you have 2, change it into 8, for that you multiply 4. Therefore in the numerator also 7 into 4. Here 4, change it into 8, multiply by 2, 7 into 2. Now 7 4s are 28, 28 by 8 plus 7 2s are 14, 14 by 8 plus 19 by 8. Now see the denominator, all are equal, therefore you can add the numerator. 28, 14, 19. The answer is 9 plus 4, 13, 13 plus 8, 21, 2, 4, 6, 61 divided by 8. Question is given in the mixed fraction. Change it into mixed fraction. 7 8s are 56. Subtract, and that is 5. Now write 7 5 by 8. From this mixed fraction, you can conclude that this number 7 5 by 8 lies between the whole number 7 and 8. 7 5 by 8 lies between the whole numbers 7 and 8. Here your question is find the rational number that should be added and subtracted so that you must find the nearest whole number. If you subtract 5 by 8, you will get the whole number 7. That is the answer for the first one. Then second one, what rational number if you add in this, you will get the number 8. See here, in the denominator you have 8, therefore 8 parts. Out of 8 parts, you have 5. If you add 3 more parts, you will get the next number. Therefore, 3 by 8. If you add 3 by 8, you will get the next whole number. Once again, if you subtract 5 by 8, you will get the whole number 7. If you add 3 by 8, you will get the whole number 8. Therefore, if we subtract 5 by 8 from 7 5 by 8, the whole number becomes 7. If we add 3 by 8 to 7 5 by 8, we get the whole number eight. A student, instead of multiplying a number by 8 by 9, by mistake divided it by 8 by 9. If the difference between the correct answer and the answer got by him is 34, then find the number. Let us take the number as x. Now, once again, a student, instead of multiplying a number, multiplying a number by 8 by 9. Multiplying by 8 by 9 means 8 by 9 x. By mistake divided it by 8 by 9. Therefore, x divided by x by 9. If the difference means you must subtract, you will get the difference between correct answer and the answer got by him is 34. Okay, once again, the number be x. Instead of multiplying with that number, a student divided, therefore x divided by 8 by 9. If the difference between the correct answer and the answer got by him is means equal to 34. Find the number. From this question, we have an expression, that is, student made a mistake, that is x divided by 8 by 9. Difference means subtract. Correct answer is 8 by 9 into x. Answer got by him is equal to 34. Now you have an expression from the question. Solution. Let the number be x. First, the student had to find 8 by 9 into x, that is 8x by 9. But he found x by 8 by 9, that is x divided by 8 by 9 can be written as x into 9 by 8, that is 9x by 8. Now, from the question, you have the expression, he had found 9x by 8, subtract to find 8x by 9 is equal to 34. Using this expression, you must find the value of x. See the LCM. No common factor, therefore LCM is 8 into 9. 8 9s are 72. Now change this 8 into 72, therefore multiply 9. 9x into 9 minus 8x divided by 9 into 8, here also multiply by 8, is equal to 34. Now 9 9s are 81x divided by 72 is equal to minus 64x divided by 72 is equal to 34. Here LCM is 72. Change the 8 into 72. Multiply 9 in the numerator and the denominator. In the denominator you have 9. Change it into 72. Multiply 8. Multiply 8 in the numerator and the denominator. Now 9 9s are 81x. 8 8s are 64x. Here in the denominator 72. Both the denominator are equal. Therefore immediately you can subtract. See, these two are like terms because this is multiplied by x, this is also multiplied by x. Therefore 81 minus 64. What will you get? If you have a doubt, multiply in the right side. Borrow 11 minus 4, 7, that is 17. X divided by 72 is equal to 34. To find the value of x, take the denominator into numerator and the numerator into denominator. Now 1 17 is 17, 2 17s are 34 because 17 is the prime number. Therefore you can give for the 17 in the table only. Therefore 2 2s are 4, 7 2s are 14. The value of x is 144. Therefore, the number is 144. You have one more problem in the same method. See the exercise 1.2 10th question. A student had multiplied a number by 4 by 3 instead of dividing it by 4 by 3. And got 70 more than the correct answer. Find the answer. A student had multiplied a number, take the number as x, by 4 by 3. Therefore, 4 by 3 into x, that is 4x by 3. Instead of dividing it by 4 by 3. Dividing x by 4 by 3. And got 70 more than the correct answer. What is the meaning for more? And find the number. Take the number as x. For multiplication, a student done wrong way instead of dividing. The student multiplied for dividing. Let the number be x. Okay, what is the expression from the question? The student got 70 more than the correct answer. What is the correct answer? Instead of dividing, he had multiplied a number. Therefore, multiplied number is equal to divider plus 70, more 70. Let the number be x. The student had to find x divided by 4 by 3. That is, change this as 3x by 4. X divided by 4 by 3. Here multiplication. Change the rational number into the reciprocal form, that is 3x by 4. The student had to find 3 by 4 by 3. But he had found 4x by 3. From the question, now got 70 more than the correct answer. If he found 4x by 3, he will get the answer more than this. More than 70 from this. Therefore, 3x plus 70. From the given, okay, now the student had found 4x by 3. The correct answer is 3x by 4. Now he got more than 70 from the correct answer. Using this, find the expression. First take this term to the left side. 4x by 3 minus 3x by 4 is equal to 70. Find the LCM of 3 and 4. LCM is 12. Change this into 12. 3 fourths are 12. 4 fourths are 16. Multiply with 4. You will get 12. Therefore, multiply here also 4. 4 threes are 12. Therefore, here also multiply by 3. 3 threes are 9. Is equal to 70. Now, subtract 16x minus 9x. These two terms are like terms, therefore you can subtract 16 minus 9, you will get 7. 7x by 12 is equal to 70. X is equal to 70 into 12 by 7. You have a common factor 177. 10 sevens are 70. X is equal to 120. Therefore, the number is 20. 120. See this example. This is also I explained already. Listen carefully. See, here you have 3 terms. First take the first term. Here you have the sign continuously. Therefore change this. Minus into minus plus. Therefore 4 by 3 plus 3 by 2. Take the second term, minus 5 by 3. Change the division into multiplication. Immediately change the rational number into the reciprocal. Now see here, for the multiplication, minus into minus plus. Therefore 12 by 9 into 27 by 16. Now inside the bracket, here only you have plus. For this plus, you take the LCM. 3 and 2. The LCM of 3 and 2 is 6. Therefore, change the denominator into 6. 3 2s are 6. Therefore, multiply here also 2. That is 8. 2 3s are 6. Therefore, multiply here. Therefore, 9 by 6. Now, see here. Any common factor here? Yes, 1 3 is 3. 4 3s are 12. 1 5 is 5. 6 5s are 30. Once again, 2 2s are 4. 3 2s are 6. Therefore, minus 2 by 3. Plus, see here, you have a common table. 1 9 is 9. 3 9s are 27. 3 4s are 12. 4 4s are 16. Therefore, 3 into 3 is 9. 9 by 4. Now, first complete this. The denominator is same. Therefore, 8 plus 9 that is 17. Now remove this bracket. Continuously you have two signs, plus and minus. Plus into minus, minus. Here plus 9 by 4. Now you have three terms with different denominator. Take the LCM for this. 3, 2 3s are 1 3 is 4. Now 2, 1. Therefore your LCM is 3 into 2 into 2. Therefore 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12. Change all the denominator into 12. To change 6 into 12, multiply 2. Here also multiply. 17 into 2 is 34. If you have a doubt, multiply in the right side. Then change the 3 into 12. Multiply by 4. 3 4s are 12. Therefore 2 4s are 8. Plus then 4 3s are 12. Multiply here. 9 3s are 27 by 12. Now the denominator is 12. 34 minus 8 plus 27. First subtract this. 34 minus 8. 34 minus 8 is equal to 26. Now add this 2. That is 53 by 12. Therefore your answer is 53 by 12.